Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Prefer a wired USB keyboard or a known Ps5 compatible Bluetooth model. Next, plug the keyboard into a front or rear USB port. If you must use a hub, make it a powered hub to avoid connection drops. Once done, go to Settings, choose Accessories, then Bluetooth Accessories to let the Ps5 scan and pair a wireless keyboard. If a prompt appears, enter the pairing code shown on screen. This gets you to a working physical connection quickly and reliably. Now configure how the Ps5 will use the keyboard. Go to Settings, Accessories, then Keyboard, and set the keyboard as the primary input device for text and commands. Make sure to choose the correct language and layout so characters match your keys, and adjust autocorrect or predictive text if desired. If you plan to use the keyboard for gaming shortcuts or macros, some apps and games support key mapping. Map the keys there. This step ensures typing behaves predictably, and any shortcuts work where you need them. Finish by testing the keyboard in Messages, the Ps5 web browser, and game chat to verify input and shortcuts. If you experience lag or dropouts, try a different USB port, swap batteries on wireless keyboards, or unpair and repair the device. If keys produce wrong characters, double-check the language and layout settings and reboot the console to clear state mismatches. And if a specific game doesn't accept keyboard input, consult the game's control settings. Some titles simply do not support external keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.